So I might try to have that mud next time I come down. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel, you don't know what's about, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Yo, we out here, man. Before we get too far in this video, I am so sorry about these dogs. Early in the morning, I'm feeling productive. I'm feeling like, man, I'm finna be on a consistent streak for y'all. I'm finna keep on getting y'all this footage so y'all can have something to watch, man. Y'all excuse the wind. I'm out here in the country, as y'all can see. Good old country living. But right here is gonna be a two-part video. Started off, guess what's back? Guess what's back? We back, baby. The truck is back running, man. We got the truck back running, man. We got the truck back running. Just a quick rundown of what happened. I left from down here. This is my hometown where I'm at. Well, the issue that happened to it while it was down for a year and some change was when I first did this swap, I was having issues with the transmission not wanting to shift, and it only had second and third gear. I'm not sure if I explained that in any one of my previous videos, but that was the issue that I really didn't talk about a lot, that I was having an issue when I did this 5-3 swap. But that was an error that I made on my end, so that was nothing that you guys should run into with your swap. But just in case you guys do, if you guys are doing this swap, make sure that all of your plugs are plugged in, and this is for all of them. But the plug that wasn't plugged in all the way for me was the main trans harness plug on the transmission that gives the power transmission or whatever, but it wasn't plugged all the way in. But I went and tried to make a jumper wire from the pink wire that actually supplies the solenoids in the transmission, all the power or whatever. It's under this fuse box. I ended up going in there, cracking it down, cutting it, and hooking it up to a 12-volt power wire or whatever that was up in the fuse box. Tapped it in to get that to work, and long story short, that still didn't end up fixing it, all because the transmission plug wasn't plugged in all the way. So I ended up finding that out one day. This is probably 2 months ago, maybe, give or take, maybe a little bit longer. But I went up in here just to double check over a lot of stuff, and I'll be doggone if the connection that I had made in there, you know, to fix everything, it wasn't making a good connection. So that fixed that. The truck is shifted through all the gears now, which is literally the only reason why I was not driving this truck, is because the transmission had started tripping again, and it lost pretty much first and overdrive, you know. So we back, man. We back. This thing is good. But we had an issue yesterday where my AC belt came off. As y'all can see, that's it right here. My AC belt came off, so I think I might have to get tensioner right here. Might have to get another tensioner or a new belt. Maybe that one done stretched. So I don't know. We'll worry about that another day. I had that fixed. But anyway, that's that on that. I'm gonna give y'all a start up. Oh, forgot to tell y'all as well, I ended up taking off my old electric fan setup, and I put on a fan controller. I installed a fan controller and new Mishimoto electric fans. The electric fans and the fan controller are Mishimoto. This went to crap on me day one whenever I got it. I'll leave the link in the description where I got this so y'all can stay away from it. but it's doing what I need to do to keep the truck cool. So it's doing that. But I got everything all mounted up. I had to make a makeshift mounting boat or point right here. Well, this is the existing spot where a boat goes, you know, into the core support, but I had to drill out a spot in this shroud to make this work. But everything's all good. This is my thermostat, because this is supposed to cut on after it reaches a certain temperature. You're supposed to go in there, tweak it or whatnot. But like I said, the controller went to crap the first day, so that doesn't work. But it looks a whole lot cleaner now, a whole lot more professional. I did not show y'all a video of me doing all that and stuff. I'm sorry, but that's how I mounted it right here. So it just slides in to the existing little spots where the electric fan would sit normally. So if y'all want the part of that right there, I can try to find it and leave that in there where I got that. But the point of this video is introducing something else to the channel, man. We done got I'll show y'all. So yeah, a little idle clip or whatnot. So yeah, man, we're finna introduce something else to the channel today, man. I ain't gonna take too long introducing it or whatnot, but this is one of my dream vehicles right here, man. I done picked up a 97 Chevrolet Tahoe, man. A 2-door. This is a 4-wheel drive. No, it's not a Z71, but it's 4-wheel drive. So this is gonna be a very extensive build. Y'all just gonna have to trust the process with this one too. I said I got a lot of stuff in plans for this right here, which is why I'm out here today, try to get some stuff done. I'm gonna have to get a locksmith to come out here and get new locks put in both sides back here, because it didn't come with any keys. And here's the kicker, biggest thing. Damn! Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yep, I know y'all probably like, what did you just get into? What did you buy? Why? I know. Trust me, I know y'all. I'm scared too, but this is gonna be nice, y'all. Nope, nothing in here neither. Nothing in here neither, but it does have transmission in, as well as a transfer case, rear end, all that in there. As y'all seen, the gas tank was in the back. So it's actually a clean truck. It's a clean truck. There is no rust anywhere. This is actually a Mexican Tahoe. It's actually a Mexican Tahoe. I believe this was a service vehicle of some sort, because it does have an antenna hole up at the top. Has an antenna hole at the top, and as well as the rubber floor, the vinyl floors or whatever, plastic floors. So yeah, man. The people that know about these type of trucks, y'all know that these are pretty rare, you know, to a certain extent. You know, if you find one that's a diesel, those are really rare. So but yeah, man, this is the truck. This is how it looks. Like I said, it's not horrible at all. I got a bunch of interior parts for the back that I scored not too long ago. So shout out to, I can't remember the guy's name, but shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, man. You came through, blessed the game. But it's a clean truck, man. It's a clean truck. I said it need a lot of work. I mean, mainly, like I said, here's the back seats back here. I got them folded down, but the back seats, they decent. But I got some more back seats that I could throw in there just in case. But I took the door panel off because this door was seized. The lock mechanism was seized, so we had to go up in there and yank the door panel off from the inside So this right here is a donor dash that I picked up off of Marketplace. It's not perfect, but I am going to buy a dash cover to put over it. So take care of all that. But yeah, man, this is the new project, man. Show y'all up under. I said it ain't got rust. It's surface rust, but it ain't rusty or nothing. So it is a Vortex truck, whatever, 97. So if y'all know me and y'all probably know what I like and stuff like that, y'all probably know what direction I'm heading with this right here. So y'all just stay tuned for the build on this, because like I said, it's finna be crazy. It's finna be crazy. Hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all enjoying the content that I've been dropping lately and stuff. So yeah, man, she's back, man. She's back. I'm so happy to have my truck back, y'all. I promise you. I done kind of washed it up a little bit too, but I'm happy to have my truck back. It's been too long time coming. It definitely needs really good detail, but yeah, man, everything's still good with the fog lights. Everything's still Gucci. So we just out here living, man. So I'm not really, my plans ain't really too big with the truck, because it was down for so long. I'm just grateful to have my truck back, man. So I really ain't got no big plans for it as of right now. I mean, I'm always in the market for new wheels and stuff. So if I can find some new wheels, then hey, I ain't gonna be opposed to that. But I will be trying to look for a set of wheels for the Tahoe. I like these, don't get me wrong, but you know I gotta do something else. But, yeah, it's a two-step process to getting this open. You gotta open this first to get the tailgate open. So, and this is one with the tailgate. Which I like these better than the barn doors. Honestly, I can't remember which one that I said that I liked, but anytime I get a vehicle, if it's something on there that I didn't like, I start liking it and stuff like that. But these are a little bit better, and this one for sure, because this one doesn't have the rear wiper. You don't have to worry about that, and none of the electric stuff going on with that, nor do you have to worry about the two pillars right here and the two small glasses that you have to look out the back and stuff like that. But yeah, man, like I said, this is the truck. This is how it sits. I hope y'all really stick with me on this one, man. Y'all gonna have to trust me on this, y'all, for real. I don't think I'm finna give up on this that easy. It's gonna be really nice after I get done. It's not gonna be no long video. I'll make it real short and sweet. Probably not gonna give y'all no driving footage or nothing at all, man. Like, it's just a tap-in video, man. So again, I hope y'all doing good. Y'all enjoy y'all Memorial Day. This is when I'm actually shooting this video, so I hope y'all have enjoyed y'all's Memorial Day, because I know it's past tense. So yeah, man. Ended up finding the key inside of the truck. That bad boy was sitting right on the side of there. I don't know what made me look right there, but I did. And I was doing something. I ended up looking right there. But we got the dash in. And don't worry about how it look right now, because it's gonna get cleaned up and a dash skin cover is gonna get put over it. So main thing was finding a good foundation dash to get. But I ended up just mocking everything else up there. Every nut and bolt that the dash needs to bolt in, but all of them in are enough to hold it up. So yeah, that's what's going on with that. And so yeah, man, that's how it's looking right now. Y'all gonna laugh, motorcycle. That's how it's looking. I ended up putting this door panel back on temporarily, but I will be in search for a glove box, as well as, I believe, probably that whole panel that goes down to the bottom over there, because I got the one that goes on that side. I just need the one that goes over here. And then I need a pedometer. Well, actually, no, I don't, because I'm doing something else with that. I need to get a climate control thing, and then whatever else goes at the bottom right there, which looks like that's probably for like a CD player or something like that, because that one got it too. I got two of them, but I'm using this one here because this is the better one. Like I said, granted, it's got cracks right there. I'm gonna take some stuff off of this one and put it on the one in here and make it work. So yeah, man, got keys now, man. Well, got a key, so I'm gonna get some keys made. You know, go back and get some keys made. But I thought I was gonna have to have power to do this, but the hatch opens, rear hatch opens with the key, which I did not know that. So we Gucci, man, we Gucci. All thanks to this right here. The ones that I got from the GM house was wrong, completely wrong. So yeah, I'll be able to clean it up a whole lot more back here now and stuff like that. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all that. Got the hatch open, all that. That's what it looked like. So yeah, man, we in business. We is in business. I thought I was gonna have to take all these screws out around the perimeter to take this off to get access to the mechanism inside of here, you know, but I don't have to do that. And the seals seem really good. It closes good. So I'm just grateful. Yeah, Gucci. So yeah, man, I just wanted to give y'all this update, everything. But yes, sir. Tap in with y'all on the next one. Yeah, YouTube is probably gonna be my stopping point for the weekend. As y'all can see, it is a whole lot cleaner back here. You can actually see the floor now. Got everything cleaned up a whole lot more. It just need a good wipe down and vacuum and stuff. So that's how it look. Back open. This is part of the back of it. Cleaned up the entry. So look a whole lot better up under there. Like I said, just need a really, really good deep clean now. So got a couple of more pieces just mocked up here or whatever, but the dash is looking a whole lot more complete now and stuff. So here go all the rest of the parts that I got for the truck that's gonna need cleaning up and painting. So I think I got pretty much everything I need. I'm gonna probably maybe find some carpet for this or some makeshift way I can put something on this. But I mocked these two little things up. I probably have to find some new ones. If anybody know where to find those, y'all let me know. But I just got those put in there for now. They like the little insulators and stuff. This truck didn't come with it since it was a service truck. As you can see, it came with these boards and stuff on the side. And this little box was attached in here too, whatever this is. So yeah, man, like I said, this is gonna be my stopping point and stuff. So yeah, man, just showing y'all the truck, everything. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Muscle Addiction, been sign out. Yes, sir.